Look what's right by it too. Big piece of poop. Here, I'll get it. Ah, yeah, that thing's in there. Hold it. How strong is that? Oh, I don't know. Hey, it's better here.
This is flooded 2 feet across. This is underwater. No, this is the crossing point, I think. Mark, can you check those sticks out right there?
Right there?
Yeah, see if we can work our bike across that.
Wait a minute, right where? Right here?
Yeah, where the cow poop's at.
I'm thinking right
See that
across
cow
here,
turd?
but I don't want to bury my bike in the seat, so.
Just get in the rut. Get in the rut. No, be quiet.
Now I'm getting the rock.
He will.
Now you're good.
Maybe.
I think that's the best, no?
Well, you got where the sticks are at?
Oh, you got the rut, right.
Yeah, but that was easy.
Let's start filling it in, guys. We need some dry stuff.
Slap him more instead of giving him a hand. Put that in that rut behind my head. That big one right there that's below you, Terry.
What's he gonna come flying through here?
Put that in the rut. All I need is the right Allen head. Don't put it longwise. I wanted them there.
It's filming.
No! If you put it longwise, it'll spin off of
Somebody gonna do it here?
Yeah, have it filmed because he's going to,
Oh yeah.
front end's going to go in and he's going right over the bars.
Jay, do we want to lay this across? Yeah.
Hold on, let me get over here.
Better bonfire it out than with
I'm telling you, just that wood and it's slick.
Is it really?
here, kid.
I hear him.
Yeah, I guess throw that one right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Need one in that gap. What's going to happen is it's going to drop right down there. It's going to push logs.
Yeah, you need one in that gap.
If you don't have it in the gap, it'll be a disaster.
One you're standing on. The two you're standing on needs to go in there. That's the lowest spot.
That's no good. That's going to throw him off the gas.
You're not a road builder, Terry.
That's not going to work. Jump in there, Jack. It's all yours.
Watch out.
Wait.
Push that one, Jay.
Roll this
Way
one a
over
little further forward.
Come on, put this one in.
Oh! I figure when the bike endos, it might come as far as 8 to 10 feet this way. What did he slip on the
Wait till they get out of there.
It's like the Hillary step.
Wouldn't have made it without
Walk
that.
across, walk right.
That's not how you do it.
Guess who gets the panties?
I know it.
So far?
Just drop it in the hole.
Dude, I might have to stay
Not
at
my
night.
color.
That was a J move there.
Stay at night just to what?
Any comments from?
Attaboy!
Hell no, son of a- I bet you heard me on that thing. I
I
bet.
did. I'm so glad I got to my camera in time.
Guess who gets the panties?
Hey guys, don't we have an uphill down upstream a little bit?
Remember all that dry stuff I threw in there?
You didn't need to sit
It's all
out
wet
there
now.
and add a little weight so you can get some traction.
Don't stick along. Don't stick along. Hey Scott.
You know when Jay was dating his wife?
Good job. Oh, baby. He hammered it right where he needed it to.
What do you think? That was pretty good. We got you on film. Thanks, man. Well, it paved the way, you know.